Hi friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. This is going to be React Native video. We're going to be looking into how to deal with views. Remember, for any React application or for any mobile application where the main component for building up the UI is called views. I'm going to show you how views are really designed. And remember, views are mainly like component that's governed by a style sheet. If you guys know that, or if you don't know, that's still fine. So that's the main point. So whenever you have more than two components in your class, which is your own component, you need to enclose them inside views. So I'm just going to come in here and I say export init for me views. So this is my directory where I'm working upon my stuff. So when I hit enter, I expect this to init for me views, and I create up that project folder very fast, and I have my views created out. So if I shake here, things should be start coming in. As you can see, it's creating up the stuff. So I expect it to be creating for me, and I'll be having it just downloading for me. Choose a template. So let me just get back to when I'm done. As you can see, it's trying to summarize up the download, installing yarn and the rest. So let me just pause for now. So that's it. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please can subscribe. We have over some good number of videos now. If you really look onto Flutter and React, they are really competing, because I'm trying so far this over 5 videos, and for Flutter we have over 71 videos, and more videos are still coming up. So just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is done. So the stuff is this. I could just move to that CD to views, and if you shake down here, that's gone. So if you come back onto a project and I go to the folder, go to views, like I said to you earlier, that should push us here, and you should be in position to inside here. This is what they call a view. Like you can see here, everything, like you see, they're always inside. Whatever thing you want to come in your application, whatever component you want to add, are always added inside the view. And this is your CSS, which is coming from css.counter. This is the style sheet, or what you guys can call your CSS. And then this is the default view. Good. For instance, if you are interested into, maybe you want to add something into your view, remember to import a view. You just say import a view. Now this I've imported many because by default it tends to get for your style sheet. This is the text that you're going to be using up, and this is a view. So you can always even sometimes just say, you know what, I just want to import one stuff at a go, and that's called a view. Don't forget it's a capital letter. When you just type view, this should be in position to get for you what's needed up. Now when I save this project, remember there will be some errors here because I expect to also import text. So that implies there should be text somewhere. You should also say, maybe I'm going to import style sheet, which is this one here. So simply say style sheet. Yes, because I have style sheets here. But don't forget, all of those stuffs are inside the views. That's what you have to know, that views are the one which governs up your application. Okay, so when you run this, remember it's going to be running inside a view. There's nothing else that I need to explain to you there, which is very much complicated. Yeah, so to run this, you definitely going to get the same thing. So thanks for watching this short video. Thank you.